In this module, learn how to import materials to your TidyStock account in bulk. Head to Import Export under Global Settings. Here, the 6 tabs show data areas that you can import and export in bulk. Go to the Materials tab to do a bulk import of material items. Download the empty template by clicking Template CSV File. Open this file on your device to edit it. The headers along the top row relate to material item fields in TidyStock. Some of these are mandatory fields, indicated by required after the header title. An error will appear in TidyStock if you do not fill these mandatory fields. Your codes can comprise of numbers, uppercase letters, hyphens and/or dashes up to 25 characters long. Enter the name of your stock item under the material name column. This is a required field. Under material category, enter the category that this item falls under. It must be a category that you have already set up in Tidy. You can put in a suggested supplier. This must be a supplier that you have already set up in TidyStock beforehand. Next, enter the usage unit and pricing unit of the item, and the unit options are shown. Add the cost currency and charge currency. The cost currency is the currency that you buy from suppliers in, and the charge currency is what you sell to customers in. Use the ISO code of a currency that you have already set up in Tidy beforehand. Enter your unit cost and charge price. The unit cost is the price you pay suppliers, while the charge price is what you charge to your customers. Under Managed, you can choose whether to make this a managed or unmanaged material item. Type Y to make it a managed item, or N to make it unmanaged. You can also add the current stock level. You can put in a location. This must be a location that you have already set up in TidyStock beforehand. Add the catalogue price currency. This is the currency that will be used if catalogue pricing is enabled. Once you have filled out the required fields and any optional fields for all items, save your spreadsheet document, then go back to TidyStock. Select Choose File to upload the spreadsheet we've just created, then click Import Materials. If we go to our list of materials now, the 5 new items we imported have appeared.